happening, people? Everything good? You wake up this morning and I never did go bother vlogging. I never did go do it. But I say, yo, this is what you planned for. Start vlogging on December 1st. But when you see this, it's not going to be December 1st. Say, oh, yeah, you have to do this. You kind of have to challenge yourself. If you're going to take this YouTuber thing serious, then I guess it's going to be a part of my life. Camera have about 3 pounds of flour I'm holding in my hand right now. So yeah. Now I'm on the shirt because you don't know, man. Just wake up out of them bed, you don't know the thing go. Alright, give me a second. Shirt. Of course you don't know me, I represent Jamaica DWL. Anyways, season 2 coming soon. The move right now is to make a cup of tea and then look more we're supposed to go do some laundry. We did go for do some laundry yesterday, but you don't know the thing said. Whenever they whole light. Hence why I wear all of women I wear now. And this me did happen yesterday. Don't judge me. So I'll make a cup of tea. Later on we're gonna do some laundry. Probably in the morning too, anyways. Might go play some ball, maybe not. I'm not playing no basketball in about 4 weeks because we get like an injury and then we get lazy and we start getting fat again, so that's probably the plan for today. Yo, the camera heavy or free. After me over this I make tea and what's it not. Man experience some vlogging problems. Already. Me I record for how long and I chat to camera and I show how to make the perfect cup of Milo. And the camera never did the record. All in sitting there just make my head hot, you know. Yeah, we don't make the cup of Milo. And I'm not gonna see that, don't do that thing. Well, next day I teach you his style. I do some more gonna say why I don't drink out of 1 teacup. Who drink out a teacup in Jamaica? I must say all people alone. Cup a cup. So the Milo pink them drink them thing, isn't it? With the pinky up. Anyway, yesterday we got watches in and we got our food place and we go in at the bathroom. And when we look on the ground in front of me, I find some gold. Now when we look on it, it say 417. So look it up on the internet what 417 mean. There's a 417, 10k means 41.7% gold. So I want to know what that mean. Cash for gold, cash for gold, cash for gold. Any piece of gold, I buy any piece of gold. I say, I think I'm gonna sell it though, you see me? I mean, whoever lose this, you know someone not gonna holler. If me didn't know who he lost from, I would have give them back. But we just go in the bathroom at the right time and go buck it up. I mean, if you can't afford to buy real gold in Jamaica, then I know it not gonna bother you. So, yeah, help out the less fortunate.
Real rich!
Thank you very much. And may the Lord bless you so that you can buy a lot more gold. And you can lose it in places where I will find it. With that said,
It's rich!
if they ever make me Prime Minister in Jamaica, which will never happen. Not because I'm not capable, but because I'm not interested in the politics. Me I ban all bikes. All bikes I get banned. As a matter of fact, a car I get banned too. Everybody have to ride the bicycle in his ass. Simple wago. Don't know, simple white, I don't know. My food man. Theme regular thing, miss, you see me?
Always a better thing.
You don't know, so I peel out now. Go do it thing.
For 1 point.
Why for one back there? You don't know.
It's been 237 days since the big evacuation. Men, women, child. Cars, trucks, buses, bicycles, donkeys, goats, giraffe. We all had to evacuate because of the infection. It took the city by storm. Everybody was getting infected, everybody was dying. Some were turning into zombies. so we were instructed to leave. I don't know who is left now or what remains, but I know I'm here. But the infected, they're still here too. We gotta find a way to bring our city back. God damn. Shit sounded like a movie, bitch.
See basketball, tennis, school, all of this. Now check. Always have food. Food is a you know far where I come from? We don't have a way.
And I wonder where they run at one place over one part. So they might try to cut left eye in our beats. I'm gonna reach around one place over one part and
Time of a lot.
one banking, you see me? So I'll continue the washments, the washalities.
Washalachi.
Baby, say hi.
Hi.
Shit. That was dry. Alright, what do you do the business then? Look a bit. As you can see, we are hanging out some clothes. Hang out. Every girl, we are hanging out some clothes. We are hanging out some clothes. So yes, I mean, my skills of distributing these clothespins are unmatched. Who can distribute clothespin like me? Who? Name one. The sun hot like a bitch. At 12 o'clock yet? So yeah, there's nothing exciting about hanging out clothes. Hanging out clothes. Alright? I'm gonna get the basic dress. And do not come on people let me think say I'm live here. Some of them might recognize on the scheme. Oh my god, I live right next door. Ooh. So juvenile.
No sense in that.
Simple like that, you're a DJ. When I look at DJ if you book for you in an event. See your money so.
Food that we involved.
Prices rose.
Yes, food that you involved.
Food that we involved.
So yeah, so we are
Here we go. Showers of New Harmony, Indiana.
maybe ask everyone and you don't know the thing said.
That's it.
Yeah, there,
I don't call it Mr. Shores.
Wasn't Price Rose a German code name for counterattack by the Nazis that led to the Battle of the Bulge? Where was
what the hell? So I've been sitting here for the past couple of minutes. I try to come up with an idea for an Instagram video. Not really work. Not too forced it either. If it happen, it happen. Maybe like a couple minutes from now, something. But for the whole of November, I have been dropping videos every other day. Follow me on Instagram at Kevin Too Crazy. Yeah, I drop videos every other day. December now, so I guess time for me to take a break. And so that means that when I talk about this today, talk a bit tomorrow if you want. So follow me on Instagram and you will see the video if me drop none. If not, I go and brainstorm and see what I can come up with. Follow me on Instagram. I have a bag of videos over there if you watch, you see me? Bag of video. I almost done wash. Just wait for some clothes to finish dry.
This one did you become party?
Baby girl over there, so I fold up Want to follow up. Hey girl, what's good? Oh, I did come up with an idea for Instagram. So when you see this, just go check the Instagram page. So we finally done wash. And I go we are there now. So me soon when we reach back our place. Finally we reach back our yard. After peeling out with the stealing out. We reach back home, laundry, clean clothes for days. I go play some ball. Baby girl, what's the pre?
Tired and hungry.
You're glistening. I go play some ball. I don't know if I can bring the camera still, I might just use my phone. If you operate the camera for one whole day, god damn it. I feel stronger. Let's just put it at that. Alright, I'm not gonna see it that good. But this morning, when I left out, them here still green. So by tomorrow morning, them yellow. Yes, I. So I have on the ball gear now. I touch a court, you know.
What are those?
Let's just say I ball hard. Ball so hard that cray. My birthday I in December, so if anybody want to give me no birthday gifts or nothing, I would really appreciate a pair of basketball shoes. Size US 12.5, UK 12, France 47 and 1/3, Japan 305, China 209. You know, have to be a leaders, but if you can't find the exact one here, I say this like nobody even care. I play some ball. So the next time I see me at the ball court, me reach at the court, you see me, the man them in the day I hit. Some people there play ball still. I recognize none of them. So I'm going to wait for the result. Oh, forward. Wait for the result on them. Forward. As you can see, I am sweating. I just lose your fuck. But you don't know things that a long time when I come on the court still, so it's been about a month. So like, yeah, it's been a month still. Yo, bless up in there, brother. It's been a month, so. Ball so hard that train. We just reached home, just done play ball, you know what I mean? You know, in the city footage still, you know, all in all it was a good game. 4 wins, 3 losses. With that said, I'm gonna be it now and try to edit that vlog here. Big up on yourself for tuning in. You see me? Thank you guys for tuning in to see my life. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button. And me see you again for another vlog later.